So for problem 15 of the final take-home final, representation 1, I'm going to be doing a math representation of $17.25 divided by 6. Now the first thing I'm going to do is, since I have all ones that I'm working with, I had 17 ones already laid out, and I have 25 cents, so a quarter, 1/4. And I'm going to be needing to divide that into 6 different groups. So I have $17. So this is going to be considered my group 1. This is another group. And this is another group. This is another group. This is another group. And my last group. So now I have established my 6 groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to move these up. And I'm going to just keep laying out my money, my dollars, into each of the groups. So you can see that I'm putting $2 into all of the groups, and it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only have $5 left that I have to put into each group. So I know that each group will have $2. So now I have to separate my dollar, or make the dollar turn into quarters, so I can distribute my money into the 6 groups. So now I'm going to put 1/4 into each group and do it again. So now I have 1/4 into each group. I'm going to put another 1/4 into each group. So now I'm going to have 2 quarters in each group and do it again. So that I will have 3 quarters into each group. So it looks like I have 3 quarters and $2 in each group. So now what I have left is 3 quarters that I have to separate into. So I'm going to use, let's use dimes first. And I'm going to change my quarters into dimes. So I have, for each of my quarters that I changed, I have 2 dimes and 1 nickel. So it has, or I have 6 quarters, or sorry, 6 dimes. So I'm going to place 1 dime into each of my groups. So I have 1 dime in each of my groups. And now what I have left is 3 nickels. So I'm going to separate my nickels into pennies. Alright, and now I'm going to put each penny into a group and keep doing that until I run out. Oops, I forgot this group. So now I have 2 pennies into each group, and I cannot put any more to be equal. So I'm going to be having a remainder, or a leftover, of 3 pennies. So for each group, if I divide it into 6, so if I divide 6 into $17.25, I'm going to have $2, and let's see, I have 1, 2, 3 quarters, so that's 75. I have 1 dime, and that's 85, and 2 pennies, 85, 86, 87. So I'm going to have $2.87. That is going to be my answer, and I will have 3 pennies left over.